We got no paper, no pen, recording a nigga. Yeah, it's me, Man Montana. Be easy.
That's how I like it. Yeah, you cooking with grease, man.
Yeah, but I'm really cooking with Tang. Tanglabel people.
Ain't no paper, no pen. We don't cut, we don't edit, you know what I'm saying? Real reality, you know what I'm saying? Our real lives, man. We go through it just like everybody else go through it, man, but right now, we on a different mindset. We going past some stuff, you know what I'm saying? And that's our past, you know what I'm saying? We passing right by, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. Well, anyway, get ready to eat, man. That's enough talking. My mouth dry, I'm thirsty. The reality show. And y'all check out the movie Who Does That by Brad Ferris. We got Third World in there. We got me, we got Shay Allen, we got Brad Ferris, we got Nunu Smith, we got Taisha Lovett. And we got a bunch of artists on there, man. So y'all check it out, man. MB Promotions. No paper, no pen. It's my everyday life. And I'm loving it.
Drunk off with loco, the nerve of you fuck niggas. I don't see you straight, I'm an underground king, with or without a mic. The nerve of you bitch niggas, like I ain't poppin'. It's third world fuck nigga, yeah I ain't stopping. The nerve of you bitch niggas.